snowboard.
Shut up, Julia. Hey, you're not helping me. Julia, you're the only one that knows how to snowboard. A little help here, please.
No thanks.
Julia, seriously, how do you snowboard for real?
I don't really know. I can do it though.
There's a wee balance on it.
Anna, just get up.
Yeah, I think it's a rebalance.
I know you do. Get up.
Anna, get up. We're going again.
And you go like that.
Emily, look at the camera. Just get up. Just get up. We'll move out of your way.
Get up. Get up.
Woo!
Get out of your way. Don't go.
Yeah, Anna. No, you fell again.
Hey, why is you on?
Anna, hurry up.
Just Anna. Can you let me help you? I know, but you still be slick up. You're not laughing. You're recording me. I'm laughing.
Wait back! You're gonna get up again. Go, Anna! Oh, you fell.
Yeah, I think I did good.
Okay, good job. Do you want to go one more time?
As long, does Emily want to go right now? You want to go?